Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine. So today on the occasion of Eid, I've got an amazing recipe of keema mutton for you. So if you like the recipe, do like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start cooking. So guys, for this recipe I'm using 1 kg of lamb with bone and half a kg of lamb mince. So let's start the recipe now. So I've got a muslin cloth here in which I'll be adding in my spices. So I've got 1 bay leaf, 4 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 1 mace or javitri, 1 cinnamon stick, and some cloves, and I'll tie it like a knot, and we'll use this in our mutton gravy. So this is ready now. Now in a kadai, I'll be adding in some mustard oil, and you can even use normal refined oil. So this is about 6 to 7 tablespoons of mustard oil. Just let this heat up. In goes some chopped onions. These are finely chopped onions, about 5 medium onions. And I'll cook these onions now till they are nice golden brown in color. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't go very high on heat, on medium heat. So you can see my onions have turned brown now. Time to add in my ginger garlic paste. So I am adding in 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste here. And again we need to cook this ginger garlic paste for around 1 minute. We don't want that raw smell of ginger garlic paste. Time to add in some spices, starting with some salt. You can add salt according to your taste. Some degi mirch. I am using 2 teaspoons of degi mirch. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 2 teaspoons of coriander or dhania powder. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder, jeera powder. And again we'll cook the spices for another 30 seconds. And we don't have to burn the spices. I'll just add a dash of water. Keep on cooking the spices. So my spices are nicely cooked now. Time to add in the lamb. So now we need to sear this lamb for good 10 to 15 minutes without adding any water. This is very important step. Do not add any water at this stage. Lamb needs to be seared very well with the spices. Keep on searing it on medium heat. So my lamb is nicely seared. Time to add in my mince. So my 500 grams of lamb mince goes in. And we'll continue the searing process. Do not add any water at this stage, because the salt that we added will help the lamb to lose its own water. You'll automatically notice the change in color. I'm also adding in 1 green chili. Just break it and add it. Continue the searing process. So my lamb is nicely seared now. Time to add in the tomatoes. So I'm using tomato puree made out of 5 medium sized tomatoes. Mix it well with the lamb. I've still not added any water at this stage. You can see the lamb is starting to lose its own water along with the tomatoes. Just keep on scraping the masala from the sides. You don't want your masala to burn. So my lamb has nicely seared for around 20 minutes now. Now it's time to add in some water. And I'm adding 2 cups of water here. And I'm using hot water here. We don't want the cooking process of lamb to stop. And my spices also goes in now. Mix it very well. And now I'll cover the lamb and let it cook for around 15 to 20 more minutes till the lamb is nicely cooked. So I'm just covering it. So it's been about 20 minutes now. My lamb has been cooking. Just look at the color. You can see the oil coming on the top. That means the spices are nicely cooked. The color looks perfect. Look at the consistency. I'll just remove my spices now. Time to add in some freshly chopped coriander. Mix it well. And just look at this. This looks delicious. And it's time to serve. And I'll serve it with some lachha parathas. So do like the video if you like the recipe. Just look at this. This is the perfect thickness. Garnish it with some chopped coriander. Enjoy guys, and Eid Mubarak.